Hello, my name is Clare Griffiths and I'm an educator based in the Careers Service at the University of Brighton, and I'm here to tell you about my app, Now and Next. Now and Next is a user-friendly, web-based employability app for students and graduates accessible on any mobile device. It helps users work out which employability skills they have and which ones they can further develop whilst at university or in work. It also helps users evaluate and reflect on the skills they have gained whilst they've been studying, working or volunteering, so that they can easily write their e-portfolios, CVs and job applications. Users can also search for part-time jobs, placements, internships and graduate vacancies within the app. It can be used in the classroom as part of the curriculum or at home when students and graduates are writing about their skills and experience or looking for employment. The inspiration behind this idea comes from a range of things. It's a modernised digital version of a paper-based skills audit I use with students and graduates. And it's also an idea that I've developed in response to problems that students encounter when they're asked to reflect on and write about their skills. So what problems does the app solve? Firstly, students don't always know which skills and traits are valued most by employers and often suffer from writer's block when filling in the skills section of e-portfolio programmes like this one. Now and Next helps users by listing the skills most valued by employers and gives users examples of when they may have used those skills. Secondly, students don't always know where to look for work. To alleviate this problem, Now and Next contains a searchable database which users can access when they're looking for work opportunities. Thirdly, educators often use paper-based exercises which students can misplace after class. With Now and Next, students can write about their skills and experience directly onto the app using their mobile devices. Users' data is stored automatically, so they don't need to worry about losing their work. Finally, educators, support services and employers sometimes find it difficult to engage with students. Now and Next provides these professionals with an alternative, innovative approach for student engagement using a medium students are familiar with. So how do I know the app is needed? I've tried and tested a paper-based version of the skills audit in lectures and workshops with hundreds of students and graduates. I've always made a habit of collecting feedback from them, and as a result I've made incremental improvements to it. I've also talked to people about my idea for an app. I recently carried out some market research with a group of students and graduates about their usage and purchasing of phone apps, and out of those with a smartphone, 100% of respondents said they would download an app which helps them identify and develop their skills, create professional development goals, and find jobs. So what commercial potential does my app have? The app will always be free to students and graduates because I want to support as many of them as possible. Therefore, income will be generated by charging employers to advertise their work opportunities on the app's vacancy database. It's also possible that a white label version could be developed and sold to universities. In terms of what happens next, there are a few things I need to do. I need to continue gathering feedback, secure startup funding in order to develop a working prototype, write a business plan as well as a marketing plan, and I also need to identify potential intellectual property to protect. And finally, I need to identify what personal data will be collected and what my legal obligations are concerning this. As you've heard, there's loads to be done, and none of this can be done without the funding. So if you like my idea, please, please, please vote for me. Thank you for your time.